So, hello everyone, and again today is a big selling day. बहुत बड़ी गिरावट आई है मार्केट में. वैसे पॉइंट वाइज इतना नेगेटिव नहीं दिखेगा, बट फ्रॉम द हाई इट हैज करेक्टेड almost 250 points nifty, and bank nifty is much more higher. Okay, so I will share the screen. So my present profit is more than 5 lakhs right now. So this is the current profit. And what I did was, as soon as I yesterday I had a position of 15,600 P and 15,800 C, both दोनों भी hold करके रखे थे. It was a straddle because I expected big move on the either side of the market, and that actually happened. Okay. Now what? Then later on, what I did, I kept on selling Nifty call options. Call options को मैं sell करता रहा, और वो नीचे नीचे आते गए. अभी मैंने 33,300 के कॉल ऑप्शन सेल किए हैं at 55 something, and I expect it to go to zero. Okay, by the end of the day. So I will make a profit of around 1.5 lakh on that. और ये 2000 मैंने निफ्टी के पुट ऑप्शंस खरीद के रखे, बिकॉज निफ्टी इज गोइंग steadily down. I'll show you the nifty graph. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, मैं ग्राफ को थोड़ा सिंपल करता हूँ. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कंटिन्यूस फॉल, नॉट इवन वन पॉइंट ऑफ रिकवरी. देयर इज स्ट्रेट कंटिन्यूस फॉल. मैंने परसों ही बोला था, और डे आफ्टर यस्टरडे इटसेल्फ आई हैड सेड दैट 15,700 if it breaks, then the next direct level is going to be 15,500, and that is what is happening right now. Now it is almost close. It is at 15,540, and at 15,500 somewhere uske आसपास I'll book all my profits and I'll exit. Okay. So as of now, I feel it is going smoothly downward. So I should hold this put options, and I should hold this call options that I have written. What is going on in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is जो expectation है उससे कम damage है. The damage should have been much more greater. And here you can see it is also still going on lower. It is trending downwards. And even if I book my profit at this level, still I will have a profit of, right now the profit is at 5.6 lakhs. And if this goes to zero, then the profit will obviously go to 7 lakhs. Okay, but still market is not showing any bounce back or respite, and I'm going to hold my uh, position. So what happened yesterday night? Yesterday night also, I did a live at around 11:30 or 11:30 के आसपास. Federal Reserve came out with a interest rate decision, and they decided that they would increase the interest rate by 0.75, which is the highest increase in interest rate since 1994. 1994 से पहली बार यूएस फेडरल रिजर्व ने इतना ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ाया है. सो दिस इज वेरी नेगेटिव, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई द सेलिंग इज इंटेंसिफाइंग. देयर इज अनदर रीजन फॉर द सेलिंग टू इंटेंसिफाई. The reason is that in Ukraine now, against Russia, Germany and US are going to send more weapons to Ukraine. तो ये जो war है वो और escalate हो रहा है. There is no end to the war as of now, and things are escalating even quicker. So that is the reason why the market has taken a huge negative cue from this, and that is the reason of this selling. और ओवर वैल्यूएशन भी बहुत ज्यादा है मार्केट में. सम ऑफ द स्टॉक्स आर स्टिल ओवर वैल्यूड इन स्पाइट ऑफ करेक्टिंग 30 to 40%. So this over valuation is completely getting squeezed out of the market, and that is the reason of this selling. Okay, so as of now we're sitting on a very smart profit, but now somewhere there is a small bounce in the market. From 1542 it has gone to 1565, and that is the reason why I'm looking at it and I'm trying to judge if I should book my profit at this level or not. Okay, so that is how things are going on. uh, The reasons why I'm doing these live sessions is so that people often say that you if you have if you don't show your live profits, then probably you're not doing the trading correctly. But that is the reason why I'm coming live and trying to show that okay, I'm actually doing something which is profitable, और कोई भी मार्केट कंडीशन हो उसमें हम कमा सकते हैं, कम ज्यादा हो सकता है. Okay, so the main intention in trading is always to minimize the loss and maximize the profit. Trading is never straightforward. Never are you are going to make a profit every day. Some days are going to be bad, some days are going to be good. But on bad days, you should be able to reduce your losses and maximize your profit. So that is the reason why I'm coming live and showing you this live demonstration. I will try to zoom this so that you can see it properly. Okay. Now, what would be the next strategy? So that's what I'm holding this P. And if I feel that the market is settling somewhere here now, I will book the profit at this, and I will silently keep this call options that I have written. My expectation. So what is writing call option? Writing call option of 33,300 of Bank Nifty. So my expectation is that Bank Nifty should not cross 33,300 by the end of the day. Then my options will go to zero. So that is the plan of the trade that we have. Now Nifty is showing a little bit of recovery. So I am thinking to book some profits here. So let's see. Let's look at the chart and make a judgment on this. So थोड़ा रिकवरी आया है 30 पॉइंट्स का, और वो आना ही चाहिए. बीच बीच में रिकवरी आता ही है. someone will come forward and take a decision to buy. So वो तो हुई, and that is the reason why the profit has reduced a little bit. So I will open the order here and probably take a decision to exit. तो प्रॉफिट कम हो गया हमारा काफी सारा यहाँ पे, बिकॉज देर इज अ बाउंस. सो दोनों तरफ यहाँ पे भी वैल्यू बढ़ गया, तो इसमें भी थोड़ा सा लॉस हुआ है और इसमें भी थोड़ा सा कम हो गया वैल्यू. सो देर इज अ कंसिडरेबल बाउंस नाउ. अब ये बाउंस क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि अभी थोड़े देर में यूरोपियन मार्केट्स खुलेंगे, and as you can see US market is also already negative futures. Okay, so we have to take a decision whether to hold it until the European markets open, or before the European markets. Whatever profit we have, we book it. Okay, तो अभी 15 मिनट्स में यूरोपियन मार्केट्स खुलेंगे. Okay, so considerably it has come down, but we feel in few minutes again the price will of this option will increase and this will decrease. Okay, so we will look at holding this for a little while. So there is a 60 points bounce now. ये volatility तो so there is always volatility in the market. So this volatility has been characteristic of this market for last 15 days now. So this volatility will be there. So we have to keep a very clear view and then accordingly hold your positions. Okay. So from 15,540, there is a jump of 60 points from the low, which is a very, very good recovery. But that's what we have to decide whether we have to book the current positions or not. Bank Nifty also has given a big recovery. So probably there is a recovery in some of the banking stocks. So let's look at it. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, yes. So HDFC Bank, अगर HDFC Bank में अभी 15 नहीं, yes, 10 रुपीज का जंप आया, तो बैंक निफ्टी में 200 पॉइंट का जंप आया. So that is the influence of HDFC Bank on the market. लेकिन अगर वही अगर सुबह से वो डाउन था, तो ये शायद है ना एक्सपायरी का एडजस्टमेंट चल रहा है, जैसे मैं बोल रहा था 15,500 के आसपास है ना थोड़ा सा बॉटम बनेगा। तो 15,500 एग्जैक्टली नहीं गया, 15,540 के आसपास गया और वहां से बाउंस आया। So we'll wait for a while because we still expect, because of the European market opening, there will be another dash down, and during that time we will cut off all our positions. Okay. So HDFC Bank is very heavyweight on Bank Nifty, and on Nifty the heavyweight is Reliance. Probably there is a bounce there also. Yes, there is a bounce there also, a bounce of 10 rupees exactly. So 10 rupees का बाउंस दोनों तरफ आया है. So this has probably they are trying, the option writer जो होते हैं put option writers, they try to control the fall of the market because they don't want to make heavy losses. Okay, but even in spite of that, there has been an almost 200 point correction from the top. So option writers को loss होता ही होगा उसमें. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you on the live trading. And probably I will wait for the European markets to open now, and probably later in the afternoon at 2:30 I will come back live again and show you the final closing of the day, or at around 3 o'clock I'll come and I'll show you how the market is closing. So we are expecting another lower movement on the later part of the day because of the excess negativity because of the rate hike by Federal Reserve. Okay, so again at around 3 o'clock, I'll come back, and last 30 minutes we'll see how is the closing, and we'll discuss क्यों ये closing, क्यों इतना negativity. अब आज एक्सपायरी भी है, तो उसके वजह से काफी वॉलेटिलिटी भी हो सकता है. So that volatility also, if it happens, we will discuss at 3 o'clock. Okay, so that's it. I will close right now and again come back online at 3 o'clock. Thank you very much.